Create a project template. Using these tools will allow you to automate processes and save work time, standardize tasks per project. These functions are exclusive for the C-level roles, directors, and also for project managers who have access permission. Create a new template. Within project templates, you will find a list of default templates generated based on the most offered services. If you want to create a new template, click on the plus sign symbol, fill in the required field name, and add a description. Determine the project type to which it belongs, the frequency with which these tasks will be repeated, and which teams and users will have access to this template to use in their future projects. Click the OK button to confirm the action. Set up a task within the template. To add tasks within a template, click on the drop-down arrow and press Add Task. Fill in the required name field. You have the possibility to activate the recurrence, if it will be a concatenated task, defining start and end day, establish estimated hours, and collaborators who will carry out said task. Click the Create button to save the uploaded data. Clone a template. Go to the template you want to clone, and by clicking on the drop-down menu, you will be able to choose Edit, Clone, or Delete. Click Clone. To customize it to the needs of the new project, go to the drop-down menu and this time select Edit. Here you can modify the template name, description, frequency, and add or remove teams and users that will have access. Create a template from a project. You can also create project templates from the Project section. Choose one to replicate the workflow carried out, same tasks and concatenation, Gantt, recurrence, estimated hours, income, and collaborators. Click on the drop-down menu and select Make Template. You already have the template created and hosted within the Project Templates module.